Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, Agri World Time. I'm your host, Engineer Muhammad Farooq Anwar, and today, we're embarking on an exciting journey into the world of agriculture as we explore the art of starting a small-scale farm. Whether you've always dreamed of cultivating your own crops or raising animals on your piece of land, or perhaps you're seeking a more sustainable and fulfilling lifestyle, this video is for you. Starting a small-scale farm is not just a venture, it's a lifestyle that connects us to the roots of our food, the earth beneath our feet, and the communities around us. It's about producing fresh, organic produce and sharing it with our local communities, fostering a deeper connection between consumers and the food they eat. In this video, we'll walk you through the essential steps and considerations needed to turn your farming dreams into reality. From understanding your goals and resources to nurturing the land, caring for livestock, and marketing your products, we've got you covered. And the best part is, you don't need to be a seasoned farmer or have acres of land to start. Small-scale farming is a sustainable and accessible way to make a difference. So, join me on this incredible journey of discovery and passion for agriculture. Whether you're planting the seeds of a new beginning or sowing the future for generations to come, let's cultivate the soil of possibility together. Get ready to witness the magic of nature, the joy of hard work, and the taste of success. Let's dive into the world of small-scale farming. The first step in starting an agriculture business is understanding your goals and resources. Define your farming goals and objectives. Assess the resources available to you, including land, time, budget, and equipment. As you begin your journey into small-scale farming, the first crucial step is to define your farming goals and objectives. Understanding what you want to achieve will guide you throughout the process and help you stay focused on your vision. Here's how to get started. Take some time to reflect on why you want to start a small-scale farm. Are you looking to grow your own food for personal consumption? Do you want to sell fresh produce at local markets? Are you passionate about sustainable agriculture and want to make a positive impact on the environment? Write down your goals and objectives clearly, making them specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. SMART goals. For example, to grow and sell organic vegetables at the local farmers market, generating a steady income within the next 2 years. The next step is assessing available resources. Evaluate the size and condition of the land you have or plan to acquire for farming. Consider factors like soil quality, drainage, and accessibility. The size of the land will also determine the scale of your farming operation. Farming requires dedication and consistent effort. Assess how much time you can realistically commit to daily farming tasks, considering other personal and professional commitments. Determine the financial resources you have available for starting and running the farm. Consider expenses such as seeds, equipment, irrigation systems, labor, and marketing. Take stock of the farming tools and machinery you already own, as well as any equipment you might need to purchase or rent. Prioritize essential tools to get started. Aligning goals with resources. Ensure that your farming goals align with the resources you have available. If your resources are limited, start with a smaller plot of land and focus on high-demand crops or products that are feasible within your budget and time constraints. If you have more extensive resources, consider diversifying your crops or exploring additional farming opportunities. The next step is seeking guidance and education. If you're new to farming, consider seeking advice from experienced farmers or joining local agricultural workshops. Education and mentorship can be invaluable in understanding the intricacies of farming and avoiding common pitfalls. Remember, setting clear goals and assessing available resources will provide a solid foundation for your small-scale farm. Flexibility and adaptability are also key qualities, as farming is a dynamic and ever-changing process. Embrace the learning journey, and with passion and perseverance, your farming dreams can become a fruitful reality. After seeking guidance, researching market demand is one of the most important factors. Before you dive into planting crops or raising livestock, it's essential to research the market demand for your products. Identify the types of crops or livestock that are in high demand in your local area or within your target market. Visit farmers markets, grocery stores, and restaurants to observe what products are popular and which ones are in short supply. Talk to potential customers, chefs, and retailers to gather insights into what they look for in fresh produce or animal products. Take some time to research and analyze your competitors in the farming industry. Identify other small-scale farms in your area or those offering similar products. Understand their pricing strategies, marketing techniques, and unique selling points. This will help you differentiate your farm and develop a competitive advantage. Building a business plan is the backbone of any business. A well-structured business plan is crucial for the success of your small-scale farm. It will serve as a roadmap, outlining your farming goals, market research, operational strategies, and financial projections. Include details about the crops or livestock you plan to grow, estimated production costs, pricing strategies, and sales channels. Your business plan should also address potential risks and how you plan to mitigate them. Depending on your location and the scale of your farm, you may need specific permits or licenses to operate legally. Check with local authorities or agricultural departments to ensure you comply with all regulations and requirements. Once you have a clear plan in place, it's time to prepare the land for cultivation or livestock rearing, implement soil testing to assess its fertility and pH levels, and take necessary steps to improve soil health, such as adding compost or organic matter. Set up necessary infrastructure like fences, irrigation systems, and storage facilities. Purchase high-quality seeds or livestock from reputable suppliers. Select varieties that are well suited to your climate and have good disease resistance. For livestock, ensure they are healthy and well cared for to start your farm on the right foot. Implementing sustainable farming practices is very important for us and our next generations. Emphasize sustainable farming practices to protect the environment and promote long-term viability. Utilize methods such as crop rotation, integrated pest management, and water conservation techniques. It's often wise to start small and gradually expand as you gain experience and confidence in your farming abilities. Learn from your experiences and adapt your strategies based on the outcomes. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to starting a successful small-scale farm. Remember, farming requires dedication, hard work, and patience, but the rewards of providing fresh, locally grown produce to your community are immeasurable. Cultivating and caring for your crops or livestock is must in this business. With your land prepared and seed sown or livestock settled in, it's time to nurture your farm. Regularly monitor the growth and health of your crops or animals. Provide adequate water, nutrition, and protection from pests and diseases. Implement a schedule for pruning, weeding, and any necessary treatments. Keep detailed records of all financial transactions related to your farm. This includes expenses, income from sales, and any investments or loans. Regularly review your financial records to assess the profitability and sustainability of your farm. Use this information to make informed decisions about future investments and improvements. Building connections with other farmers, local agricultural organizations, and community groups can be invaluable. Attend farming events, workshops, and networking gatherings to exchange knowledge and experiences. Engaging with the farming community will provide you with support, advice, and potential partnerships. Develop a strong brand identity for your farm, reflecting your values and unique offerings. Utilize social media platforms, a farm website, or local advertising to promote your products and reach potential customers. Participate in farmers markets, collaborate with restaurants or grocery stores, and consider community-supported agriculture (CSA) programs to sell your produce directly to consumers. Farming is a dynamic field, and there is always something new to learn. Stay updated on the latest farming techniques, agricultural trends, and sustainable practices. Seek feedback from your customers and be open to making adjustments based on their preferences. Farming can present various challenges, such as unpredictable weather, market fluctuations, or pests and diseases. Be prepared to face these obstacles and develop contingency plans. Stay resilient and maintain a positive attitude even during difficult times. Keep in mind, farming is not just a profession, it's a way of life. Continuously remind yourself of your initial passion and love for agriculture. Take time to enjoy the beauty of nature, the satisfaction of hard work, and the connections you build with your community. Congratulations! You've reached the end of our comprehensive guide on how to start a small-scale farm. With dedication, knowledge, and hard work, your farm is bound to thrive and contribute to your community's food security. Thank you for joining us on Agri World Time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow aspiring farmers. Subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on agriculture, and as always, happy farming!